Hello everybody, I just thought I would start today's video with a Poundland cleaning haul with some other little bits in. There's not much because otherwise I would have just put this in a video on its own, but let's just get straight into it. To help me through the cleaning, obviously we need snacks, so I picked up some jelly babies and some Bella sticks from Haribo. I used to love these, so saw these, picked them up, yummy. I picked up some Baloo, well, one Baloo Power Active 4 function formula to go down the toilet. Very exciting. The cat's treats, Licky Licks. They love these. And it looks like Remy on the front. How cute. And then also these ones, which they've already eaten half the pack because I thought I'd give them to her because Remy went to the vet today and thought she deserved it, you know. Got some Febreze refill plug. This is the exotic bloom one because, you know, we're going into spring. Well, we're in spring now, so I thought spring vibes. Picked up some Sephora, which is also spring vibes. This is the Midnight Blooms, so we're with the bloom theme. And then I lastly picked up some Sephora bloom wipes, so the whole house is going to be spelling blooming in all the puns. But yeah, so these two are a dream, and then Febreze. So that's everything I picked up from Poundland. Let's get cleaning. I started off by taking down all the Easter decorations in the living room and also in the hallway and the mugs, but I didn't film that part. So here's me taking the decorations down out of the living room. I then tidied anything that didn't need to be in the living room away and found homes for like all the Easter eggs and little bits and bobs that were just scattered all over the floor. I then used the Sephora spray to clean the TV stand, and then I just used the cloth to wipe the TV as well to get all the dust off. I also wiped down the windowsill with the Sephora as well. Losing almost all my energy. And then the coffee tables. Then I fluffed up the cushions on the couch and then gave it a refresh by spraying the Sephora on the couch pillows, which actually helps keep the scent alive. I gave the whole room a hoover, and then this room was pretty much done. Then moved into the bedroom to pick up the dirty washing, and then tidied the dressing table, getting all the crap off there and putting it in the right places before wiping it down with Sephora and making sure it's all nice and clean. I then put away the clean laundry. I then spritzed down the windowsill and the side tables with Sephora before going in with the polish on the mirrors. I then finished off the bedroom by giving it a good old hoover. Our spare room is in the process of turning into a nursery. So this day I did some painting, which all was dry, so I needed to tidy up this area and just make it a little bit neater. This room is so empty now as well. I then gave it a good old hoover.
Myself wondering what did happen to the last 10. I ran away with my life, fast forward, never turn back again. It's kind of funny that the more we pass time, the more we need to set.
Moving on to the hallway, I just needed to pack away my makeshift desk. This is basically what we're going to work on when baby arrives. Then I tidied the hallway, putting all the clothes, pretty much all my clothes away or in the wash before hoovering. I then wiped the banister with Sephora. And added the Febreze scent. The other 11 get something from nothing. I sit here looking for an answer. Maybe the big. Moving on to the kitchen, I firstly put away clean cutlery and pots and pans and things like that. I then used the Sephora wipes to wipe down the sides, and lastly gave it a good old hoover. This is the cleaning video coming to an end. Please comment this emoji in the comments if you got this far. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!